Welcome back to Crafting with Kara. Today I have some exciting Dollar Tree DIYs for you today. Come watch. Today we're going to make a farmer's market fruit stand basket. Before I show you the items you're going to need from the Dollar Tree, I wanted to do some shopping online and see what are these baskets going for if you were to buy them retail and not have to put them together yourself. Go ahead and take a peek at some of these popular websites and the prices and what they're going for. All right, here are the items you're going to need, all from the Dollar Tree. Okay, I'm just going to take the sticker off so that I can paint on this side because the other side has way too much glitter. The reason why I'm not doing it with a hairdryer, because hairdryer, oh wow, it really takes the glue off, is I try to get all my crafting done while my baby's asleep in the morning. So it's like 5:30 a.m. All right, now I'm just going to put the farmer's market sign at the top, and then I'm going to just make markings on my boards as to where I'm going to be putting the baskets. We'll be drilling holes in the board and using zip ties to keep them in place. Meanwhile, I'm going to spray paint my white baskets black. All right, here's the moment of truth, my friends. This is where it starts to get a little tacky. So we need to make one long board. So I am going to use my 2 glue items and glue the 2 pieces together. All right, it won't matter because it's the back. Okay, so I'm gonna push it together, and here's where it gets a little cheesy. Yet we're gonna take it back to 2nd grade and we're going to get some popsicle sticks. Yes. But don't worry, my friends, it's on the wall. It'll be faced backwards, so don't worry about it. All right, let's do this. Next, I'm just going to whitewash my board. Yes, as you can see, my son had his lunch and touched the board with his dirty hands, but that is okay. Sorry about my head being in there, but yeah, we're just gonna give this a good washing. Okay, next I'm just going to take my handy dandy ruler and draw horizontal lines all the way up through my board because this is going to create a shiplap type of look. All right, now I'm just going to go through with a pencil eraser and erase those lines. Yes. Erase those lines, and it creates an absence of color to enhance this shiplap look that we're going for today. And now for our final product, Farmer's Market Fruit Basket. Looking for a Mother's Day project? Well, here you go. Remove the produce and put in your favorite greenery and some burlap. Well, there you go. I hope you liked today's episode. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell.